how much money can you actually make from YouTube? We're going to tackle this in stages. One, we will talk about the factors that determine how much you earn. We'll also talk about something called CPM and also RPM. And I will also show you my earnings both on YouTube and maybe show you earnings what I have been paid by sponsors in the past. Now, what most people don't know is that we don't all get paid the same amount of money to create content on YouTube via AdSense. There are several factors that determine how much you earn from your video. The first one is the topic you create on. Some topics or some niches, have higher CPMs, which we will talk about, and higher RPMs compared to others. People create content on different topics on YouTube, from vlogs, entertainment content, comedy skits, educational content like this kind of videos, finance content where somebody is teaching you how to invest. Others create on real estate, others create on, there's just so many topics you can create on. But thing is, not all those topics pay you the same amount of money when you create a video. Now, some topics are actually worth more on YouTube than others in terms of advertisers are willing to pay more for other topics than others. Let me give you an example. If you're creating a video on finance, your audience is, people who are interested in, managing money, investing, saving, and all that. This means this is a high value audience because, first of all, you cannot be watching videos about investing money if you don't have money to invest or you don't have sources that make you money to invest. So that means finance is a high value niche on YouTube because advertisers are willing to pay more to target that audience. Now, if there's somebody else on the platform who makes vlog content, like, how I spend my days, cook with me and all that, according to YouTube and advertisers, most of the people who watch this type of content do not actually have disposable income, or they are not targeted. Like, anybody can watch this content. So it means that creator has all types of people. So there might be a small percent of people in that audience who can pay for stuff, who have disposable income, and others maybe like 60 or 50% who do not have disposable income. So the advertiser will not pay as much to show their ads on this person's videos, the vlogs, compared to how much they'll pay to show their ads or their ads to get shown on a finance creator's video. So you see, what you create about dictates how much you earn because the content you create attracts a certain type of audience, and that audience can either be high quality audience to the advertiser or an audience that does not have disposable income. You see, advertisement is all about I am promoting something, a product or service, and the end goal is I want you to buy. So if your audience is more likely to buy something, you'll make more money when ads play on your video. If your audience is less likely to buy something because maybe most of them are struggling financially, they are students, they don't have disposable income, you will make a small amount of money compared to this other creator. Now, some niches that have high CPMs are finance, business, and tech. And some of the niches with low CPMs are, entertainment, content, and vlogs. So topic matters, your niche matters. Two, where your audience is based or where the people who are watching your videos are based plays a big role in how much you get paid. Now, you see, we live in different countries and every country is different economically. So if you have viewers from, let's say, the US, the UK, the rest of Europe, high economic countries, you're more likely to earn more from ads than somebody who's being watched from low economic countries like Kenya and other African countries which are considered low economic areas. So where people are watching you from also dictates how much money you make from YouTube AdSense. So if you want to make more, you target people, in those countries, the high economic countries. Now, the video length and watch time of your video also matters in that if you have a video that is 2 hours long, that means you can put more ads in that video. That means YouTube can show more ads to people because if the video is 2 hours long, you can put ads like after every 10 minutes. That will be like about 12 ads. But if you create short videos, like 5 minutes long, 10 minutes long, you can't really put as many ads in those videos, which means the person who's creating longer videos gets paid more because more ads are shown on their video compared to you who's making short videos because you only get to show a few ads. Now, also the type of content you create, apart from the topic, I feel like the type of content, like if it's a tutorial or educational content, I feel like you get a higher CPM compared to maybe a reaction video, for instance. So there are so many factors that play a role in how much a creator makes. And that is why you will hear other people complaining, oh my God, I've been creating content, I have so many views, but when they show their earnings, they are very low. And another person who has maybe a smaller channel and is getting half the views this person is getting is making more money than this person. That's why you will see people are creating vlogs and they have so many views. Like the moment they upload a vlog, it has like 100,000 views. But if you look at their earnings, they are very low. In fact, these people are still employed. They're not doing content full-time because they are not getting paid as much as somebody who's not getting as many views but is in a high value niche, gets viewed by people from, high economic areas and creates long videos. Did you know that? If you didn't, let me know. Now we are going to look at how much money I have earned from certain videos so you can have an idea of how much I make as an educational content creator who creates content on making money online and all that. The numbers I'll show you today might be different from somebody who's creating content that is, vlogs or entertainment. So take everything you see with a pinch of salt. Now we will look at a video with over 100,000 views. We'll look at a video with 500,000 views, and we'll also look at my video with 1 million views. And then we're going to look at how much I earned from maybe a short with the most views. So let's dive in. By the way, this video is part of a Skillshare class I launched a few days ago called YouTube Monetization for Beginners, a step-by-step guide to earning from AdSense and beyond. This class is all about making money on YouTube, especially for those who are just getting started and have no idea how to monetize their YouTube channel beyond AdSense. One fact most people ignore is that YouTube is a business. For you to make money on YouTube, you have to be strategic and business-minded. I have tried many methods of making money on YouTube, and I share all that in that class. I share the strategies I've learned, how people actually make money, how much YouTubers actually earn, how much I have earned from videos with different views, and I even help you make a monetization plan specifically tailored to your niche, to your type of content, and your goals. So if you want YouTube to be a serious income source for you, then you must join my class, and it's free. Just click the link in the video description and you will get a free month to join my class for free. Like Skillshare is a paid platform, but using my link gives you 31 days free. So you join for free, you join my class for free, and even join other classes on the platform. I have 2 other classes, a Make Money Online class for beginners and even a masterclass on starting YouTube the right way. So you can join these other classes as well for free when you sign up for the free trial, and join other professional development and personal development classes from other teachers like Ali Abdal, MKBHD, and other teachers on Skillshare. Now, once you are on the platform, please search my name, Tess Ogamba, and then all my classes will be displayed for you to join. I really hope you enjoy this class, and if you do, I will really appreciate a review. Just let me know how you found it so I can know if I met your expectations or if I need to do better in my future classes. Now, before I show you how much I have earned from several videos, let's talk about CPM and RPM. What is it? CPM is commonly used, RPM is commonly used in the YouTube corridors, and CPM stands for cost per mille. So this is how much the advertiser pays YouTube to show an ad on your video. On YouTube, we don't get paid per views. Just because 1,000 people have watched your video does not mean now you'll get paid an equivalent of 1,000 views. You get paid an equivalent of 1,000 ad views. So it's not the number of people who watch your video, but the number of people who watch the ad that is put on your video. Now, for every 1,000 ad views, the advertiser will pay YouTube £8 for this video to show ads on this video, and I get paid 55% of that. Now, YouTube keeps 45% of the £8.12, and I get 55%, which is now referred to as the RPM, the revenue per 1,000 ad views, also revenue per mille. I hope you're following. As you can see, I have earned a total of £58 from this video so far. That is equivalent to 72 USD. It's not great, but you see, this video was posted recently, and the thing about CPM and RPM, what I have noticed is that it increases or reduces depending on how people are engaging with the video. So for this RPM to increase over time, people will need to engage with the video. So this RPM might increase over time, or the CPM might increase over time, but that will depend on how people are engaging with the video. if people are watching the video for long and they are leaving comments and liking and all that, that tells YouTube that this is a good video. So the RPM increases. But if the video's engagement reduces with time, then the RPM also reduces. So a video might start with a high RPM, like £5 for me, and then it starts reducing because maybe the more people view that video, the less they engage with it. And now, I don't know, somehow it sends negative signals to YouTube. But I have noticed that the CPM and RPM does not remain constant. Now, remember when I said that CPM vary depending on niche? Now, this is what I was talking about. You'll find that for somebody who's creating vlogs or an entertainment podcast, their CPM is low, like maybe £1, £2, £3, which means their RPM will be even lower because what is 55% of £2? So if you see a high CPM, it means your niche is more valuable than, other niches. Now let's jump back to showing you how much I have earned from different videos. Now this video was posted 1.5 weeks ago. It has 19,500 views, and so far I have earned £58 from it. I feel like people are not really engaging with the ads, so please don't skip ads. But also I can't really tell how this video will end up performing because a video can actually pick up weeks or months after it was posted. So the RPM might end up, increasing and the views increasing, and how much I make from this video might increase, or maybe it will stagnate and just drop and die. I don't really know, but so far this is how much I have earned from this video. Now, sample number 2. This is a video I created a few months ago in November 5, as you can see, and it has 180,000 views so far, and I have earned £812 from it so far. In USD, this is about 1,000 USD. So it's not really bad, but it's not great because it was posted in November. It's been months. So, but this video, it started picking up after some time. The CPM for this video is £8.90. It's slightly higher than the previous video, and the RPM is quite high. It's £4.57. If we convert this RPM to USD, that will be 6 USD. So literally, I am getting paid about 6 USD for every 1,000 ad views, which is really good, honestly. Now, that is a video with 180,000 views. Let's look at a video with over 500,000 views. Now, this video is very special to me because it's the video that actually changed my life. It went viral when I uploaded it, and the video after that went even more viral, and yeah, it changed my life. So as you can see, it has a total of 590,000 views, and I have earned a total of £2,855 from it so far. It was posted in November 12, 2021, so it's been on this channel for a while. £2,855 is equivalent to $3,552. Now, that is how much I have earned from this video so far. Let's look at the RPM. As you can see, it has a CPM of £12.15. It's quite high. When I first uploaded this video, the CPM was not this high. I know because I actually kind of keep checking my videos time and time again, and the RPM for this video is £4.84. It's so interesting because the CPM is quite high, which means YouTube is getting paid £12 to show for every 1,000 ad views, but I only get £4.84. This is probably because of how people are engaging with the video. Now, the video might be in a high value niche, but if the engagement is not as high, then you won't really make much. Engagement is commenting, how long they are viewing the video, liking, and all that. Now, let's look at my video with 1.2 million views and see how much I have earned from that. Now, this video was a surprise. When I uploaded it, I didn't even think it would gain any traction. It was sort of a different video from what I was creating then. And then it started very low. As you can see this graph, it started really down, like it wasn't performing at all, and then it just picked up and turned out to be my most viewed video. As of the day of recording, it has 1.3 million views, and it has made me £3,995 since the day it was uploaded. So I have converted that, and it is equivalent to $4,972. Now let's look at the CPM and RPM. The CPM for this is quite low. As you can see, it has has a CPM of £5.54. It is quite low compared to the other, 2-3 videos that we have looked at. And the RPM is even lower. The RPM is £3.17. So I don't really know why the video has a very low CPM and RPM. Maybe it's the topic of the video. Maybe business ideas does not have a high CPM. But either way, it did make me a significant amount of money. And the beauty of this video is that it keeps getting views. I uploaded this on September 8, 2022, and since then it keeps getting views. And it's, I think, one of those videos that has really brought so many subscribers. Like, look at this. I have gained 28,000 subscribers from this one video. So although it does not make me a lot of money, it has brought in a huge number of people to my channel, and for that I will always be grateful. So I have shown you how much I have earned from a video with about 20,000 views, how much I have earned from a video with almost 600,000 views, that is 590,000 views, and how much I have earned from my video with 1.3 million views. Now let's look at how much my most viewed short actually made me. Now this is my most viewed short. It has 31,000 views so far. It was uploaded on the 3rd of Feb 2023, so literally an year ago, and it has earned me £0.91. As you can see, that is, oh my god, diabolically low. And the RPM for the short is £0.03. There's even no need of converting this. You can tell that it's quite low. So clearly shorts don't make as much money as long form video. So if you really want to earn from YouTube, then it goes without saying that long form is the way to go. Now you'll find that some of those videos that I've shown you guys were sponsored videos. Like the one with 1.3 million views was a sponsored video, and I had been paid about, I think the sponsor paid me about 2,000 USD to make that video. I feel like sponsorships make you more money than just AdSense. Because imagine making like $2,000 to just mention a brand in your video, and that video ends up making you $4,000 from ads, but you earned like $2,000 from it already. So that means in total you earned $6,000 from that video alone. So I hope from what you're seeing so far is that making money on YouTube is not just about going viral or creating a video with many views. It's really about strategy. It's picking the right niche. It's making sure the video is engaging. It's making a long video and all that. So there are many factors that play when it comes to how much you earn, including the audience, where they are located, and how long they are watching the video for, and all that.